Okay, so what do we got here? We got this castor oil pack wrap from Hufl. They sent this to us so that we could show it to you. And it's a wrap that goes around your body so that you could use it like around your stomach or your liver or your back or whatever and stuff. It's one that comes in different sizes here, and we're just going to open it up and take a look and see how it does here. And there's a little instruction booklet on how to use it. Ta-da, like that. But let's take a look at this here. It's made with organic cotton, which is important because, of course, you're trying to make yourself healthier, not less healthy. So you don't want to be introducing icky gookies into your skin, which is the largest organ in your body. So it's got Velcro straps there and a nice fabric there, and then it looks like there's probably a extension for the belt if you're bigger than the belt needs. Then this is actually the what size did they send us? Extra large, extra large. I think it comes in a smaller size too, but that's what they sent us. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. So, and then it's got like these cotton pads, and this is what you put the oil on in the middle. Don't put it too close to the edges because you don't want it leaking and dripping and stuff. So you put that on there, and let's see. We couldn't help ourselves. We knew one pad wouldn't be enough, so surprise! We've tucked in 2 more cotton pads for you to enjoy. Cool. So actually, they sent extra of those. That's awesome. I didn't know that was going to happen. But I like that they're reusable and they're washable, which is important because then, of course, it's going to last a lot longer if you can reuse it and wash it and all that kind of stuff. So I like that it comes with the cotton pads, which is important so that you don't have a big mess and all that stuff. And there's no ties or anything, just the Velcro. So I like that. Good stuff. We'll have to give it a try here in the next day or so.